Hey and welcome, I'm Dennis, I'm a developer advocate with Amazon Web Services, and today I'm going to show you how you can install the AWS CLI, the command line interface on Windows. And there are two ways to do that. First, you can just download the installer through a web browser, and the second way is just install it through the command line interface, and I'm going to show you both. In the web browser of your choice, you can just type awscli.amazonaws.com/AWS CLI v2 for version 2.msi. And this is going to download the file and you can simply open it. This will start the installer, read and accept the license agreement, click on next and just install. And now with the tool installed, you can configure it using one single command. And you start every AWS command actually with AWS, and to configure it, you simply type configure. And this is going to ask you for your credentials, first being the AWS Access Key ID, and you can get that in the AWS Management Console. So I'm going to switch over. Right here in the AWS Management Console, you can just click on your username, and in this dropdown, click on Security Credentials. Scroll down and there you can see the section Access Keys. Just create a new one. Take this access key, copy and paste it into the console. This is going to ask you for the secret access key. You can see that here, and this is really secret, so you shouldn't share it with anyone. Copy it here, type return, then use your default region, EU Central 1 in my case, and JSON as the default output format. And to see if everything has been set up, I can type AWS STS get caller identity. And this is simply going to return my user and account information. So with this, we can see that the AWS CLI, the command line interface tool, is correctly installed and has been configured. And you can also install the AWS CLI just using a command line tool on Windows. In the console, I can simply type msiexec.exe/i and then the address again, AWS CLI amazonaws.com/AWS CLI v2 MSI. And this is going to open the same installation window that we had before. Simply click on install, read and accept the license agreement, click on next, install, and it goes through the same process as before. And once that has been done, I can simply reload my command prompt and type AWS-version to see that it has been installed. And this is how you can install the AWS CLI, the command line interface on Windows. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment if there's anything else you would like me to talk about, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.